The Event Pass, accessible through Osprey Hub, is Stockton's new way to check in students and capture attendance at events. Event hosts can check people in on any device that has the Campus Labs event check-in app, including your phone or a university iPad. Multiple individuals can check people in at the same time, which is helpful for large-scale events.
Step 1. Download the Campus Labs event check-in app, which is available on both Apple and Android devices. Step 2. Create your event in Osprey Hub. If the event is educational, leadership, or service-based, it is eligible to appear on a student's Osprey Advantage co-curricular record. Every event on Osprey Hub has a unique access code, which you'll enter on the Event Check-in app to record attendance. Finding the event's unique access code is easy. Click on the event you're hosting. Click on Manage Event, and then scroll down to Event Attendance to find the unique access code. Step 3. Open the Event Check-in app and log in with your Stockton credentials. Enter your event access code to start your session and begin scanning. Guests can access their event pass on their phone or computer. If a student does not have their event pass, you can search for individuals using their portal username or full name to check them in. There is also an option for an offline scan if your event is held in a location without Wi-Fi access. As soon as individuals are scanned in, their attendance is automatically captured on Osprey Hub and, if applicable, noted on their Osprey Advantage co-curricular record. At the conclusion of your event, you can see the full list of attendees on the Event Check-in app and can also pull a report of attendees through Osprey Hub.